The latest update of the iDoRecall webclipper browser extension introduces support for Notion. This is the beginning of a new phase in our roadmap. With Notion, you'll be able to create notes ranging from simple to incredibly complex. When you use the latest version of our webclipper, you'll be able to create recalls linked to specific texts in those notes. As usual, when you practice memory retrieval, if you struggle to recall the answer, you can click the source button and your Notion note will open in a new browser tab and scroll to the relevant location on the page. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a simple-to-use but powerful app that is 100% free for personal use. While there are many use cases that you will discover for using Notion, we suggest that you consider using it for note-taking and personal knowledge management, what is popularly known as PKM. Head over to their pricing page and you can see the features of their personal free account. You likely won't ever need a paid subscription. Once you have your Notion account, you can activate the webclipper on any Notion page. You will have to go through an initial authorization step where you choose which Notion workspace you are authorizing and further, which pages in that workspace you are granting the webclipper access. After you have granted access to the page, you can select any text and create a linked recall. The recall will be sent back to your iDoRecall account. If you are practicing memory retrieval and need to review the source, click here and the Notion page will open in a new tab and scroll to bring the linked text into view. Notice that we highlight the linked text in green. I just showed you how to give permission for iDoRecall to have access to your Notion pages. If you click the three dots menu to see a page's settings, you can see that iDoRecall is connected to this page. When you add a new page in your workspace, like I'm doing by clicking this plus sign, iDoRecall is not automatically connected to this page. If you want to enable our webclipper to create linked recalls, you have to go into the three dots menu, mouse over Add Connections, and select iDoRecall. Please check the show notes below for some known issues at the time of our initial support for Notion. We'll update this list as we refine our support.